Good morning to all my awesome followers out there. It's shout out time. We're starting with Deborah. And Deborah, I'm sorry, I'm not going to try to pronounce your last name because I will not pronounce it correctly. She is an awesome new channel by you can see how many people are following her. But when I started checking out her channel, she only had 5. I want to tell you, she is an awesome new channel. If any of you are interested in gardening, this is the channel you should be going and checking out. And you know what she did when I did my English high tea? She joined in. Did not she do a cute job? I really loved it. And I hope you all go over and check this channel out and give her some love. Remember how hard it was to get started on a new channel. And she needs all the love she can get to get going. Now, you all know I love gardening. I talk about it all the time. She has an awesome garden tour every month, and of course, I love garden tours. I love seeing how people do their gardens. Now, believe it or not, even though she's a small channel, she knows a lot about gardening, and I really do love her channel a lot. And she also, if you can believe it, does knitting. And she also teaches you beginning classes on knitting. Now, Grandma said she doesn't do knitting. Who knows? Maybe now that she's got someone with a beginner class, you never know. Maybe I'll make something. But she is so creative on her channel. There's lots of different content, something for everyone. And those are the kind of channels I love. And when I saw this channel, I jumped on it. Thank you so much, Deborah, for such an awesome channel. And I also wanted to mention, too, because she's a new channel, and when I ran across her, as you're going to see in just about 2 seconds, I left her 6 comments. 6 comments. Because I was so impressed by her channel. And you can see I'm number 5 by that. And I want you to read all the beautiful comments we discussed with each other. These things are important to build relationships with other YouTubers. This is where I made my huge mistake for like 4 years why my channel didn't grow. And surprisingly, some of the people I give shout outs to do not comment back to the people that leave comments. I guess they don't care about their channels. So, here's someone to go check out, and I'm sure she'll be awesome. Now, Indiana Jones, I have technically been following her for a while. And she has an awesome channel. And she joined in on my English high tea, and oh my God, she did such a wonderful job, and I just had to give her a shout out. Her channel is like a show. It is so entertaining. Look at all these little clips, all the awesome things she does on her channel. You are not going to get bored with this girl. And you know what her channel's about? DIYs. Look at how she turns DIYs into giant entertainment. This is a person you need to go check out. She puts so much time and effort into everything in her channel. Look at all of the choreographic she put into this. Is this not awesome? And I was so impressed. You guys need to go over. And I don't know, I guess I've only watched her shows when she just does DIYs. I didn't realize she went all out like this. I guess I don't watch enough of her channel. This is going to change. I am going to make sure I go. Go check out that channel. Check out what she did for the English high tea. Get out there and start watching some of these awesome channels I'm giving you. These are not just run-of-the-mill, just giving you a name. I'm giving you a reason to go watch them. Here is what she did just for my English high tea. This took a lot of effort and time to put such a beautiful production together. I loved it. I watched the whole thing. In fact, I watched this doggone thing 3 times. It was so entertaining just to get some great ideas. And she did a DIY at the end of this on top of everything else. Come on, guys, get over there and see her. This is a channel you got to watch. This is a channel that will entertain you from the first minute to the last minute and teach you something at the same time. This is an awesome channel. I can't believe it. You can't say Grandma just gives you boring channels. She gives you awesome channels. Now here she is, the same day, same video, showing you how to do this awesome DIY project. And you know, Grandma wants to keep building on her English high tea. And this is something else Grandma could do. She could get some plain, inexpensive white cups from Dollar Tree and paint them and make them look awesome. The Queen of Hearts she is. Look at that face. Oh my gosh, she is so awesome. I just love her. You just got to go over. I can't say enough about this channel. I was so impressed by all the production work she did on this and the past production work she's done on a lot of other things. And here's just a few of the clips of what she has on her channel. And keep in mind, Halloween's coming up. She is going to have some awesome DIY projects from Halloween. And I bet if you go back and check her past ones, you'll find some awesome things there too to learn and see and do. This is an awesome DIY channel. Go check it out. You're going to love her. She's one of my new favorites. I can't say enough about her. And here we go. Songs to remember. Songs that embarrass our family. This is a brand new one. I just found them this week. I was laughing so much watching this. And sorry girls, I used my phone to leave the comment and it left the wrong comment. You know how you say words and the words aren't the words you leave. I love your channel. And I just wanted to let you all know how much they are so much fun to watch. I also laughed all the way through. They are entertaining. They energize me. This is an energizing shout out, I guess, because you can tell by my voice. I am energized to the max. I have found so many awesome channels to share with my awesome followers. This is one, if you want to go find something to listen to laugh, I wouldn't have children watch their videos. Some of the things are inappropriate for little children. But if you want to be entertained, this is another channel that loves to entertain you. You will not be bored. Their songs are great. They do all kinds of, I don't know, they do a lot of different things on their channel. They had I can't even go on about all the things they did. Trivia, questions, and they make it entertaining. And then they had an eating video where you couldn't understand one word and they did subtitles. You needed the subtitles desperately to understand what they were saying. But I just thought this one here was quarantine song and it was just so cute too. The stress of us all living through this quarantine. I just love this channel. You got to go over. If you want to get a good laugh, this is the one to go to watch. Now, this channel I haven't been watching very long either. This is Offkilter Homestead. And I'm always looking for new channels to watch, something that entertains me, something that interests me. And this one is joining in on a giant giveaway, or it's putting on the giant giveaway. It's Harvest Moon. It's similar to the Christmas in July Fairy that I did a couple of months ago. And so I joined in on this one. But this one is about gardening. You know, Grandma loves gardening. So hopefully I'm going to get some more gardening friends and meet a lot of new friends. And maybe remind me who my old gardening friends were too, because I did run across a few gardeners that I have followed in the past that I forgot about. I'm so sorry, guys. This is what happens when you don't leave comments. I forget sometimes. And here's some of the videos that they put up to remind you about the Harvest Moon giveaway. So if any of you want to get into this giveaway, please go check out my channel, leave a comment. You have a chance to win $25. And when they have the giant giveaway in the future, I will be giving another $25 gift card. If you want to know all the rules, you need to go over and watch the video. I explain everything in detail. And here's a man that loves his family, and believe it or not, he's a teacher. And he does all kinds of interesting things on his channel also. Here he is doing one with his son. And this talks about all the different things that things he has on his channel to go watch. It's an interesting channel. I know you're going to enjoy it. Go check it out. And of course, if you like farming on a small scale, this is a guy that's going to show you how he's done his little farm on a very small scale. He's bigger than me, but he's not big. And sometimes we have to be reminded that there's not the little ones, but a small one. Now here's someone with a little more acreage, and this guy here is Hidden Oak Homestead. They're new to homesteading, but you wouldn't know it by his videos. They really get into it, and they are an awesome family. His wife keeps him working on project after project. There is no way this guy's gonna get bored or heavy working on this little homestead. The wife won't let him. She keeps him on the ball. And they grow all kinds of different stuff because they have a little bit of acreage. So here they do chicken farming, and they do pigs, and they show you how they went about doing it, and they do it all on a budget, so you don't have to have an army, have a ton of money in the bank to do some of these projects. And these are awesome channels if you like to see stuff like this. And I love seeing things on a budget but work. And that's what's important when you don't have a lot of money. Now, I have no acreage to do any of these projects at all on my property. I have a little tiny place and right in town. But I still enjoy watching these kind of videos, and you may be the same way. If you are, this is another awesome channel. If you're into homesteading, this is another great channel, and they do an awesome job on their videos. I was really impressed by them. And it's an awesome family. And look at these cute little pigs. And he loves his pigs so much. He said when things aren't going good, he can always go to the pigs, and they always love him. So they are just an awesome channel to watch. And here you can see that here he is with his son, and they're going to be the four-legged family members in any second. And you're going to see this is a channel to check out also. Anyone that loves their dogs this much. You know how much Grandma loves Mr. Peanut also. They have a lot of variety on their channel, and as you can see by these clips, please go check it out. You are not going to be sad by what you see. All kinds of interesting things. You're not going to get bored. See you in the next video, my awesome friends.